Yes.
Show everyone at school that.
No, you gotta show them how to do that.
Okay, boss? Tired already?